Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Harsha and this is regarding the Pega Training New Batch which is started yesterday. So far we are done with two sessions. Day one I have covered I have given you some information about course duration and what will be covered in what we provide during the course and after the course. And also I told you the details about Pega regular training program as well as post training program. Mainly on day 2, we have talked about Pega BPM. That is, mainly we were looking at Pega BPM and I clearly explained today about what is BPM and as a BPM tool, what are the different abilities that the tool has and how we represent transaction model. I hope all of you have got that information clearly, and tomorrow will be day 3 session. So tomorrow's session will be continuation of today's session. If any one of you have missed today's session, please make sure that you are going to watch today's recorded video and then attend tomorrow's session. Then only you will be able to understand. Those who did not attend today's session, if they directly try to attend tomorrow's session, probably they may not be able to understand it fully. So I request all of you, those who have missed today's session, watch the video and then come back tomorrow to attend the third session. And day 1 session you don't have to watch. And all the students who have attended today, please make sure you revise today's concept and come back tomorrow. Okay, so hope to meet you all tomorrow, and same online meeting link you have to use, and offline students you can come down on time to the class. Okay, thank you, bye.